This video addresses NC Math 1 A-REI.4, which is solve for the real solutions of quadratic equations in one variable by taking square roots and factoring. Today we are going to factor a quadratic equation to find the solutions. Let's try another example. X squared minus 4x minus 12. This time we're going to have two negatives. Again, since I have x squared term and my coefficient is a 1, it's implied to be a 1, I'm going to pick one x squared term. I'm going to pick 4 negative x tiles and then 12 negative 1s. And also remember, this is my constant, which is also my y-intercept. So I've got 5, 6. And again, I'm turning them over for the red to denote the negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I'm going to always place my x squared term in the top corner. And I'm going to do like I've done in the past. I'm just going to put 2 and 2 and see how that works, because this is just trial and error. And then I'm going to start placing all of my 1 tiles. And you can already see I'm not going to have enough room to place all of those. So I'm going to go ahead and move both of these down, or let's just move one down. And I'm still not going to have enough room. So this is where we actually add in a different piece that we can do. We know that if I have a positive and a negative, that cancels each other out. Because if I add 1 and I subtract 1, I get 0. So I can add these 2 tiles in because 1 minus 1 is 0, and I'm not changing the value of my quadratic. So let's add let's keep all of our negative tiles together, and I'm going to put my positive tile up here. Okay, again, same thing. I do not have enough room to place the rest of these 1s. So I'm going to do another green tile and red tile, because those are going to cancel each other out. I will put my green one up here with the other positive, and I'm going to put my red one down here with the other negatives. And then I'm going to see if I can filter in these 1s. And you see that you can. So now I have my perfect square or rectangle. So we're going to look. This is my x side, this is x side, because x times x is x squared. And then I have 1, 2 positive 1s, so this is going to be 2. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s, and they're all negative, so that would be a minus 6. Remember, if 2 times negative 6 should give me however many positive or negative 1 tiles I have. So 2 times negative 6 is negative 12, and I have 12 negative tiles. So my two factors are x plus 2 and x minus 6. I'm going to set both of these equal to 0 using the zero product property and solve for x. So I get x equals negative 2 and x equals 6. So my two solutions would be negative 2 and 6.